Okay, so today with me I have the brand new 2020 MacBook Air. I've been using it for 1 month now, and to be honest, this is my first ever Apple computer or Apple laptop. Now, I'm mainly a Windows person, strictly Windows. I love building and customizing my own PC, have the best graphics performance for a great value. Now, the thing with MacBooks and Apple laptops, stuff like that, the reason why I never really tried to get into it is because, for example, I paid $1,400 Canadian right here for the base model. This is the base model, bare minimum. It's not great for graphic intensive work, so I normally edit videos, 4K videos on my PC. My PC cost around like near 3,000, alright? Because it has a RTX 2080 Super inside, Core i9 990K processor, and this is $1,400 with a i3 dual core 1 gigahertz, and it can't do anything, but I still like it. And yeah, let me just tell you guys my experience with it. I've been using it for a month now, and for some strange reason I just like it. So yes guys, I decided to choose the MacBook because I wanted something just to bring around with me anywhere I go. Now, I tried to use the iPad Pro, but I just couldn't get any serious work done with the iPad Pro. I just used it for like Netflix and YouTube videos, and in order to get the iPad to almost like function as a laptop, it would cost me around $1,300 US, and the MacBook Air is only $1,000 and even cheaper if you use the student discount. So that being said, after 1 month of using the MacBook Air, I can confidently say that if you're looking for a work laptop or to do regular laptop activities or something for class as a student, you will love this. Now, the MacBook Air is the most portable laptop Apple offers. The MacBook Air continues to its lightweight, sleek, thin design, and it also weighs up to 2.8 pounds compared to the 2.75 pounds in the previous model, which is the 2019 version. Now, there's a couple things I love about this laptop. There's a Touch ID fingerprint scanner that allows you to biometrically log into macOS. It autofills your password and it fulfills other online payments. It's really good. The best part about this new MacBook Air though is the scissor switches, and goodbye to the old butterfly switches. I've always heard people complain about the butterfly switches, that they had no key travel and will break easily, but Apple's new keyboard is firm, it's comfortable, and it has a travel that makes it feel like you're using an older and the brilliant MacBook that people always fell in love with. Now, me personally, I'm a mechanical keyboard type of person, so the travel still feels different, but I could see that it's way better than the older models I've seen before, because I went to Best Buy and I was looking at different MacBooks there, and I could tell the difference between the new scissor switches and the older butterfly switches. The butterfly ones feels like you're just typing and as soon as you hit it, it just stuck. But this one has more travel, it feels nice. I'm not the best typer, I'm not the fastest typer or anything, but I could see the experience is really good and I love typing on this new keyboard. Screen wise though, nothing has changed since last year model. It comes with a 13.3-inch display with LED backlighting, IPS technology, a native res of 2560 by 1600p, which is a pixel density of 227 pixels per inch. So yeah, image quality looks sharp. I have no issues here. Watching series and YouTube videos on here has been a pleasure. For some strange reason though, whenever I'm watching YouTube videos and I pull up Safari, I can't get 4K. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Let me know down below in the comments what I'm doing wrong. The only way I could get 4K to work is if I use Google Chrome, and for some strange reason Google Chrome sucks on the MacBook. I'm not sure if it's because I only have dual cores or something, but sometimes I open like 7 tabs, it will start to slow down, and it just sucks because I paid like 1,400 Canadian dollars for this thing, and I opened a couple tabs and it's moving slow. But I guess it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, if we look past all the specs jazz with the pixel density and everything, the screen is amazing. Nice blacks. In the dark, it looks great. Watching Netflix at nighttime, it looks amazing. Consuming media on it, no issues. And right above the screen is a 720p webcam, and it's terrible. This is what it looks like. Just look at it. It is absolutely terrible. I don't know. I can't believe like a company like Apple that makes such good cameras on their smartphones and tablets. I don't know why they couldn't just put a great camera inside the webcam, but I guess we just have to live with it. Performance wise though, it was something that I expected to some extent. I didn't expect it to be this slow when opening a lot of apps, but as I said before, I have the base model. I'm assuming if you get like the quad core version, I think you could pay $100 extra for that. You will see a boost in performance, but performance wise, everything works well. For me, daily tasks like browsing the web, checking emails, light editing, stuff like that, it gets the job done. When I'm trying to edit like a lot of like 4K footage, stuff like that, it won't work, it will slow up. And I think even if you upgrade to the quad core version, which is the i5, which boosts up to like I think 3.3 gigahertz, it will still throttle because of how thin the MacBook is. The thermals won't be great, and I just don't know if it's worth the upgrade, because I think the MacBook Air is not something that you should be trying to edit or create content on a daily basis. I think it's just a laptop for students and people like me who just needed something more portable than, for example, if you don't think the iPad could be a tablet for you, because in order to get the iPad to work fully functioning as a laptop, you'd have to buy the keyboard that costs like $400 in Canada, the Apple Pencil, and it's just better off you just buy a MacBook Air, which is like a couple bucks cheaper. Now the trackpad and the speakers are also very great, and it's basically the same as last year models. I have no issues or complaints with the trackpad. It's really responsive and always works when I need it to. The speakers won't fill up any large room or anything, but you can definitely watch or listen music on here if you had to. When the volume is maxed though with the speakers, it will start to rattle, but aside from that, the speakers are perfect. The batteries inside is just capable too, though battery life is more likely to hit around 9 to 10 hours of usage. Granted, the battery life is going to be entirely dependent on what you use the MacBook Air for. However, I'm pretty happy with how it performed overall with my usage. I'm getting around 3 days of not charging it, because as I said before, I'm mainly on my PC. I work on my PC like from morning till night. The only time I'll take out my MacBook Air is probably when I'm in bed or I get tired of the desk and I just get up, go in the living room, stuff like that. But I can see myself using the MacBook Air when this whole quarantine thing is over with and I get to go out more, coffee shops, school, classes, stuff like that. I can see myself using the MacBook Air more, and then I'll definitely get to see what the battery life is all about. But yeah, that was my short experience, my first ever MacBook Pro, and in all honesty, I kind of like it. The AirDrop feature, having FaceTime on it as well, getting text message on it, because I use everything Apple. I have an Apple Watch, I have an iPhone, so I think this just completes the trifecta for me. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the purchase, but I'll definitely think about getting the 13-inch MacBook Pro, because I just need a little bit more power and juice out of the laptop. But yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.